everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Guys, the sad news that have been circulating on social media has been confirmed. The condolences messages are pouring in for the Ferguson family after Sunday World reported that Shona Ferguson has passed away. He was admitted for COVID-19 related complications. Most people has been praying the news not to be true, but the reality is he is no more. Ferguson Film has released a statement and it reads as follows. It is with great sadness that we confirm the passing of Mr. Shona Ferguson. He passed away at noon today, Friday, on the 30th of July 2021. Mr. Ferguson's untimely passing was due to COVID-19 related complications and not the heart operation as reported in the media. We ask that you give the family time to process this painful loss and respect their space during this time. More details will be shared in due course. Guys, I'm so heartbroken. I don't know him personally, but his passing really broke my heart into pieces. I'm thinking of his family, especially his wife, Connie Ferguson, who recently lost his brother a few weeks back. There's too much for him. May the Lord comfort his family in this difficult time. No word can express how we feel right now. He will be dearly missed by many of us. May his soul rest in peace. Guys, take care of yourself. I love you all. Bye.